What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a MattBangsWood Christmas. We are on day 2 of the 7-day giveaway. Day 1, you guys saw that we gave away some bits, a tape measure, supercut bi-cuts from Weehaw, and a couple other awesome things like the power inverter from Ego. Today, we're going to be giving away even more. I've got 2 awesome companies in on this one, and you guys aren't going to want to miss it. Now, if you guys haven't watched day 1 already, go ahead and enter by clicking the iCard in the top right hand corner. Real quick rundown of the rules of this giveaway. This giveaway is not associated with Google or YouTube whatsoever. December 8th through the 14th, we're doing 7 days of giveaways, 7 prizes, 7 winners. In order to enter, it's very simple. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button down below, click the little bell icon to the right of it, leave a like on this video, and drop a comment down below. Unlimited entries. You guys can comment as many times as you'd like. 1 comment is 1 entry, 100 comments, 100 entries. You guys can spam away. Let's get going on the gifts. This box is empty. Why? Because I don't know your shoe size. Everboots is a company that sells affordable boots that are ridiculously comfortable. Quick rundown. My pops wears the black welders from Everboots. Fox wears the regular welders from Everboots. I have the dark brown tank boots, ultra dry boots, completely waterproof. Love those things. They're super lightweight as well, along with the welders. Love every pair of boots these guys put out. I know them personally. Great people. The winner of today's video is going to give me their shoe size along with what model they would like. We will ship those directly to you. I am not over exaggerating when I say that their boots are way cheaper than anyone else and they're a lot more comfortable. Super stoked to have these guys on board. Let's open this one. As you guys can see, I didn't wrap this one. This one looks a lot better. See what we got. Okay, so there's actually quite a bit in here. I'm going to go ahead and set the box down and I'll pull the items up. So we've got you another spade bit from Bosch. Same exact bits we use. Hopefully use the right drill. Along with that, your very own Panella hat. Miscellaneous pencils and other writing devices. Along with this cool little pencil from Sola. It's like a mechanical pencil, except for construction rated. And now on to the sponsors' prizes. Let me tell you guys, this is going to be fun. Big shout out to Unilite. They're from the UK. Hooked it up on this giveaway. We've got some fun stuff to give to you guys. They sell some of the coolest stuff when it comes to cordless lighting for job sites. This goes right in this box here. Has a small stand off the back of it. Little button to turn it on right there. Multiple settings, and it's bright. So it has 3 different settings. You have your low mode. Middle of the road. Can't see a damn thing. That's bright. That's really bright. It lights this place up better than my studio lighting. Now along with that, we have an aluminum pin light. These lights, even the small ones, are super bright. Let me go ahead and shut this off. We've got a little drawstring bag from them as well, neon green. Whatever kind of liquids you want to carry. We've got a coffee mug for you as well. Couple air fresheners to make your car smell good. And this I find really cool. We have a Unilite carrying case for all of it. So you can take everything and pack it right inside of here. We'll put your hat in there as well. A lot of people have asked about those hats. We don't buy a whole heck of a lot of company gear. Considering there's only a handful of us working, we buy enough hats, enough shirts, sweatshirts to get us through for 6-7 months, get a new order in. So we don't do but 1 or 2 orders every year. If that is something you guys are interested in though, let me know down in the comments below. I'll work on getting something set up to where I can ship some of that gear out. Put your pencils in there. They've got a front pouch out here. You guys are going to be set. So day 2, you're getting hooked up pretty good. You've got this fancy hat, a ton of awesome lighting from Unilite. Super stoked that they're in on this. Everboots, a brand new pair of boots, whatever boots you may want from them. They've got tons of different options. Fox and my dad are both wearing the welders. I wear the tanks the majority of the time. If you like that mock toe though, definitely go with the welders. Quick little rundown on both of these companies. Everboots is a company that I have partnered with for a very long time now. I started working with them I'd say a year and a half ago on Instagram. These guys have been nothing but awesome. Now I worked with a high school down south in San Diego area. Unfortunately, Everboots wasn't able to come with me at that very time, but they did make a trip back and they hooked up every single kid in the classroom with a brand new pair of boots. That right there tells you a lot. Everboots knows exactly what I'm about, and I think that's why we clicked from the get-go. Unilight. Unilight has some of the best lighting products on the market. And they came a long ways to get here. Electricians, plumbers, remodelers, anyone that's working in a nice dark area, this is right up your alley. They have a ton of different options as far as lighting goes. I'll have their website right up over here, along with their link down in the description below and the comments. If you're looking for some of the most high quality lighting on the market, check out Unilight. If you hit them up on Instagram, please let them know that MattBangsWood sent you. They'll take good care of you. But look at that. So you're gonna head back to the job site with your brand new set of lights, brand new boots, some spade bits here, and your fancy new Pinella hat. If for some reason you missed out on day one or you just haven't seen it, please click the icon in the top right hand corner, go enter. Now I mentioned this in day one. I've been in construction for quite some time now. All growing up my father was building. I've been around this since I was born. I know for a fact that times are good and times are bad. Therefore, I want to do my part to help out. I really push you guys to do it as well. I do want you guys to stay tuned from day 1 until day 7 though, because we are giving away something that could seriously help somebody out. I've been broke around Christmas time and it's never fun. I wouldn't wish that upon anybody. Regardless though, I know how stressful times can be right around holiday season. I want to do my part to help out. Hooking you guys up with all these tools. Not only that, we have some cash for you guys to win as well on day 7. It's enough to take you on a small vacation. It's enough to get you away for a while. Do whatever you may need to do. So please hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications to keep up with everything we got going. I'll see you guys on day 3.